Casement window installation in Tampa, Florida is a popular choice for homeowners looking to enhance their property's aesthetic and energy efficiency. With a variety of casement windows, Tampa styles, residents can choose from numerous designs that suit their home's architecture. Casement window installation services in Tampa Bay offer professional solutions to ensure a seamless fit and finish. Energy-efficient casement windows in Tampa are essential for reducing energy costs and improving indoor comfort. These windows are designed to provide superior insulation, keeping homes cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Energy-efficient casement windows Tampa are available in various materials, including vinyl and aluminum, to meet different preferences and budgets. Custom casement windows. Tampa Bay allow homeowners to personalize their window designs to match their unique style. Whether you prefer traditional or modern casement window designs in Tampa, Florida, custom options provide the flexibility to create the perfect look for your home. Casement window contractors in Tampa Bay can assist with the design and installation process. Casement window replacement in Tampa is crucial for maintaining the functionality and appearance of your windows. Over time, casement window parts in Tampa may require replacement or installation to ensure optimal performance. Casement window replacement services in Tampa offer expert solutions to address any issues, from broken glass to malfunctioning hardware. Vinyl casement windows in Tampa, Florida are a popular choice due to their durability and low maintenance requirements. These windows are resistant to weathering and provide excellent insulation, making them ideal for the Tampa climate. Vinyl casement windows, Tampa, Florida, are available in various colors and finishes to complement any home style. Aluminum casement windows. Tampa offer a sleek and modern look, perfect for contemporary homes. Known for their strength and durability, aluminum casement windows. Tampa are resistant to corrosion and provide excellent security. Casement window suppliers in Tampa offer a wide range of aluminum options to suit different design preferences. Casement window maintenance in Tampa is essential for prolonging the life of your windows and ensuring they operate smoothly. Regular maintenance, including cleaning and lubricating casement window hinges, Tampa, can prevent common issues and extend the lifespan of your windows. Casement window maintenance. Tampa services provide professional care to keep your windows in top condition. Casement window hardware in Tampa is a critical component of window functionality and security. High-quality casement window locks, Tampa, Florida, and casement window screens. Tampa Bay are essential for protecting your home and enhancing its appearance. Casement window hardware. Tampa suppliers offer a variety of options to meet your needs. Casement window frames. Tampa Bay are available in various materials, including wood, vinyl, and aluminum, each offering unique benefits. Choosing the right casement window frames can enhance your home's energy efficiency and aesthetic appeal. Casement window frames. Tampa Bay suppliers provide expert guidance to help you select the best option for your home. Casement window glass. Tampa, Florida is available in different types, including double glazed and low E glass, to improve energy efficiency and reduce noise. High-quality casement window glass can significantly impact your home's comfort.